In this video, we will talk about 5 legit ways to make money as a teenager. The most common question asked by teens is how to make money. As a teen, you might not be able to land a full-time job or find an opportunity that fits your interests. However, that doesn't mean you cannot make money. There are several legit ways to make money as a teenager that won't put too much pressure on you. As a teen, your responsibilities might be limited to school and chores, but that doesn't mean you don't have time for side gigs or other small tasks that can give you some cash. Here are 5 legit ways to make money as a teenager. Sell your unwanted items. If you have something that is unused, you can sell it to make money. You might have old toys or clothes that you don't need. Or you might have books that you have already read or items that you used in school but don't need anymore. People are always looking for things that they need at low prices, and you can make some money from your unwanted items. Tutor or mentor others. If you are good at something like basic computer skills, you can make money by teaching others. Several websites connect teachers with students. If you are good at something, you can post it on these sites and make money by teaching others. Write and develop apps. If you know programming, you can make apps and earn money. Today, it is very common to see apps in every household. Mobile app development is one of the most promising careers in the world. Become a freelance artist or writer. If you are good at writing and drawing, you can make money as a freelance artist or writer. You can create a website or blog and start writing about the things you love. Tasking apps. If you have time and energy, you can make money by completing tasks on apps like Favor or DoorDash. These apps are good for making quick money with little effort. Making money as a teenager doesn't have to be a struggle. With these legit ways to make money as a teenager, you can easily make some cash. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.